For some of you, I'm just getting you're dealing with your crush, or maybe this person is crushing on you and you don't know about this person. Basically, जो भी ये person है बहुत ज़्यादा आपका respect करते हैं and they are secretly in love with you, my love. They need you at this time. They want you at this time. Realizing that कि how amazing you are as an individual. So सकता है maybe September and October में आप इनसे मिले हो is of Scorpio. This energy is of Taurus. This energy is all about Sagittarius as well. The people you don't have to say anything about this person. You know very well has addiction. To be honest, I'm getting this person is taking alcohol. This person is taking all the bad things without you. They are nothing without you, my love. They are nothing. This person is just not taking a good care of himself. This person is losing. Hey, my love. So let's find out that what this person wants to just say to you, basically. What are his current thoughts for you? Let's find out. Truest feeling for you. You deserve all the praise at your job. I see how hard you have been working. So I'm already getting, I need you. I feel secure around you. I wish you could see yourself through my eyes. You're so thoughtful. You're my everything. Okay, for some of you, I'm just getting you're dealing with your crush, or maybe this person is crushing on you and you don't know about this person. Basically, you don't know about this person, and this person has a lot of feeling for you. I mean, ये person आपके जहाँ पे आप काम करते हो वहाँ के ये person है, and they're thinking that you deserve all the praise. Okay, they admire you, they respect you. Basically, जो भी ये person है बहुत ज़्यादा आपका respect करते हैं, and they are secretly in love with you, my love. They are secretly in love with you, and this person is secretly in love with you and they need you at this time. They want you at this time. Let's find more. You take care of me and spoil me when I'm sick. Okay. You are simply amazing. So this person has lots of things to say. I think it could be for someone, it could be your ex, and ये ex का feeling है that कि they are just realizing the fact that कि उनका आप कैसे केयर कर रहे थे जब उनके साथ आप थे, तो they are really missing you at this period of time. Let's take type more. You are always there for me no matter what. You have the biggest heart. Someone is really in realization, my love. I mean, बहुत लोग यहाँ पे realizations में हैं, is that कि someone has lost you. Okay, they are in realization is that कि उन्होंने एक diamond को खो दिया basically. So they are realizing a love for you. They are realizing that कि how amazing you are as an individual. So वो कहीं ना कहीं reconciliation आपसे चाहते हैं, reunion चाहते हैं. Let's find out more. I see your pictures every day when you are not with me. This is your ex feeling I'm getting. This is someone who is not with you, my love. This is someone who is not with you right now. You are so talented. You are precious to me. Life is such a joy with you. Someone is really missing you very badly. This person is missing you so badly, my love. I am getting like that. Let's find out something more about this person. Who is this person? To know more about this person, let's find out. Letter S is so significant. इनका नाम S से स्टार्ट हो सकता है. अक्टूबर में इनका जन्म हो सकता है, मे बी सितंबर एंड अक्टूबर में आप इनसे मिले होंगे, मे बी. आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग लाइक दैट. F बुल, टॉरस की एनर्जी मेरे को दिख रहा है. क्रो स्पिरिट, एक्स या दिस इज़ योर एक्स फीलिंग, माई लव. एम से इनका स्टार्ट हो सकता है, टी, और ये है कैट स्पिरिट. वेरी मिस्टीरियस पर्सन, वेरी साइकिक पर्सन. आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस वाइफ. दिस पर्सन इज साइकिक, दिस पर्सन इज स्टबर्न एज वेल, एंड दिस पर्सन इज very psychic in nature. I'm just getting like that. Let's find out more about this person. Who is this person, my love? Who is this person? B spirit. F 2 बार आया है, and FM. ओके, डबल आए हैं. ये जेड है. ओके, MZFTX. ये सारे जो नेम्स हैं सिग्निफिकेंट है आपके लिए, इज़ दैट कि उनका नेम का इनिशियल्स हो सकता है या फिर वो हो सकते हैं. ओके, let's find out more about this person. Who is this person by this oracle deck? I mean, who is this missing you so badly? I'm already getting this that कि जो भी मेरे viewers हैं यहाँ पे, they are thinking a lot about their past relationship and someone जो कि अभी no contact में है, अभी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. This is your, I mean, see how cards are just popping out. Okay, I have lots of cards. I will take only 4 and let's find out. I wish to be like you. I can't promise you anything. Will this pain ever stop? I cried at night. I feel lonely. Oh, my love, this is your, definitely someone who is not with you. Definitely someone is missing you so badly. They are crazy about you. They are thinking like, all about you. They are thinking all the time about you. They can't stop themselves for like, thinking of you. इनसे आपका like, कुछ तो like, linkage है. And I think you are also seeing some dreams about this person. I'm also getting a channeled message like right through my eyes is that कि I messed up. So इनसे बहुत जो भी आप इनसे अलग हुए होंगे, बहुत like, brutal हुआ होगा, brutal. Okay, I can't make a decision. Okay, for some of you it is a no contact situation. Someone has ghosted you like out of the blue. आपने इमेजिन नहीं किया था that कि पर्सन आपको ऑल ऑफ सडन घोस्ट कर देंगे. So this person is little bit making like, excuses that whatever he has done or she has done. Okay, they have something like, I can't name the things, but they want to come into your life for something. This person is feeling passionate about you. You know what I mean to say here. This person is really feeling passionate about you, my love, and they only want you. This energy is of Scorpio. This energy is of Taurus. This energy is all about Sagittarius as well. The people you are dealing with. What else I'm getting in this? Let's find out more. You know very well who is this person, my love. I don't have to say anything about this person. You know very well. You have shared some painful memories with this person. You have cried a lot. Okay, this person has also cried a lot about you. I mean, something they have done with you जो कि unexpected था. आपने सोचा नहीं था कि ये person ऐसा करेंगे आपके लिए. Yeah, I want to be different. The way I have treated you was wrong. I mean, ये person आपको taken for granted लिए थे जब आप इनके साथ थे. Whether you are as a friend with this person or maybe whether you are as a girlfriend of this person. You felt that आपको जो एक relationship में जैसा आपको treatment मिलना चाहिए इस person से नहीं मिला, and they have treated you badly. They have taken for like granted. I mean, आपको taken for granted ये person ले लिए थे. They think that कि आप इन्हें कभी छोड़ कर जाओगे नहीं. And the moment you have taken that decision, ये person को कहीं ना कहीं शौक लगा है. And they have realized the value of you, who you are as a person. Okay, so ये person same है, बहुत realizations में है. Last card मैं लूँगी and I will going to end this video. So I am going to give you a suggestion from this. This is all a drama. Okay, वो person ही क्या, जब आप उनके साथ थे तब वो आपको अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं किए हैं, अब रियलाइज़ करके क्या फ़ायदा, है ना. 10-10 की एनर्जी है. सो ये सिग्निफिकेंट है मैसेज इज़ दैट कि आप रियलाइज़ करके क्या फ़ायदा जब when you have lost someone. Okay, I don't want to be who I used to be. You deserve better. So this person thinks that you don't deserve someone like him, okay, or her. ये person definitely इनके दिमाग में है that कि you deserve better. And of course, my boo, you deserve better. You are lovable. You are loved unconditionally. So I think this person is very alcoholic. This person has addiction. To be honest, I'm getting this person is taking alcohol. This person is taking all the bad things without you. They are nothing without you, my love. They are nothing. This person is just not taking a good care of himself. This person is losing. Okay, so I will going to leave you last here and I will take one last message. I love your company. This person wants to be with you. This person wants to talk to you. So you can expect a call from this person. Okay, the moment जिस अभी मैं फिल्म जिस कर रही हूँ, I'm just getting within 2 to 3 days, or maybe within 1 week, you will get a message from this person. You will get this message, and it is up to you that whether you have to decide. But this person intention is not about just, it's just a realization, it's just a sympathy for you. Okay, मैं honestly आपसे बता दे रही हूँ, it's not about the love they have, it's just a sympathy that उन्होंने बहुत आपको badly treat किया है. Okay, this is not like that कि someone wants to be with you for whole the time. This is like, ये person थोड़ा सा टेस्ट भी करने के लिए आ रहे होंगे. Maybe you have loved him so much, okay, and they want that energy in their life. Okay, so मेरे को ऐसा दिख रहा है with this person. Okay, so you can expect a call from within 1 week. 1 week is significant, or October is significant, whole month. This October is significant for you because October is the, like, you are entering into the new moon in Libra. So Libra significant है आपके लिए. You could be a Libra. Okay. Okay, this person is clearly want to say that I can't talk to you right now. This person is literally thinking of something. Either they will going to call you or say something जो उन्होंने किया है. I'm just getting like that. This person is literally realizing the fact that कि उन्होंने बहुत गलत आपसे behave किया है, बहुत गलत आपसे वो किया है. Let's find out. Last में मैं क्योंकि मेरे को छोड़ने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है. Just like continue flow में मैं जा रही हूँ, but I need to stop. I will take one more card and I will going to leave. I mean, I'm getting a spirit animal. This person name could be Om. I think Om name हो सकता है इनका, और I think for some of you it is Tom. Tom name हो सकता है. बहुत weird name है, my love. So I'm just getting like that. Okay. Okay, this is all I have for you, my love. I all have already, मैंने सब कुछ आपको बता दिया, and this is all I have to share in this video. So yeah, this is all I have to store for you today. I randomly pick up all the things, and जो भी मैंने आपसे बताया maybe आपसे resonate करे. अगर resonate करे तो please comment भी down below क्या resonate किया and क्या नहीं. See you in my next video. Bye.